Address. I can't give you the address of a good doctor. That man was addressing me in his speech. Band. She ties her hair up in a band. The band was playing songs from the 80s. Match. If you suspect a gas leak, do not strike a match or use electricity. Her fingerprints match those found at the scene of the crime. Right. Take a right turn at the intersection. I'm sure my answer is right. Rock. He formed a rock music band with some friends while in college. To mine the ore, they had to dig through solid rock. Ring. I heard the doorbell ring. What a beautiful wedding ring. Rose. Crime rates rose by 50% over the festival season. She has a beautiful rose garden. Spring. My favorite season is spring. I sprang out of bed. Mean. What does this sentence mean? You're so mean. Bark. Tree bark is used to make paper. The dog's bark was so vicious that I ran away, terrified. Nail. Jack drilled a nail into the wall to hang up a picture. She went to the salon to get her nails done. Drop. A single drop of blood splashed onto the floor. The apples are beginning to drop from the trees. Novel. The Grapes of Wrath is John Steinbeck's best novel. The steam engine was a novel invention that changed the way people traveled. Season. My favorite season is winter because the snow is so magical. The recipe says to season the dish with plenty of salt and pepper. Squash. My dad made butternut squash soup for dinner. She squashed my dreams of ever becoming a famous singer. Rocket. I hate carrying my racket around when I have tennis practice. It's so huge and annoying. I couldn't sleep with the racket coming from the party next door. Slip. She slipped on the ice. When I have an idea, I wrote it on a slip of paper and put it in this box. Sharp. The point of this pencil isn't sharp enough. Lemons have a sharp taste. Mark. There were dirty marks on her trousers where she had wiped her hands. I was up half the night marking exam papers. Trip. She tripped and fell down, grazing her knee. We are going on a trip to Norway this summer. Close your eyes. I've got a surprise for you. I hate people standing too close to me. Jam. We were stuck in a jam for 2 hours. She has toast with raspberry jam for breakfast. Chest. His shirt was open to the waist, revealing a very hairy chest. Her books and clothes were packed into chests and shipped across to Canada. Well, your painting has come out really well. It cost well over £100. Seal. We sailed past a group of seals. The lawyer stamped the certificate with her seal. Watch. I had dinner and watched TV for a couple of hours. My watch seems to have stopped. Flat. There was no wind and the sea was very flat. She lives on the top floor of a block of flats. Sink. Enemy aircraft sank two battleships. The sun glowed red as it sank slowly below the horizon. Lift. He injured his left eye. He left the house by the back door.